Okay.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Yeah. I don't know why these customers do this and whatnot, you know, they yeah. Yep. Thank you. All right. Now you're gonna sit down there and ignore my text. All right, come on, guy.
Hold on. Hello?
Yes, how you doing? This is Russell at McDonald's. Your delivery driver? Yes, I understand you already picked up your order?
Yeah.
Okay. Because on my end, I have to select pickup and select delivery in order to finish the order and whatnot. So
Yeah, it's good.
okay, I'll do that. Thanks a lot.